How's it going, guys?
What's up, what's up?
We are just down here in sunny San Diego, even though it's not overly sunny today. We're here for Traffic and Conversion. Pretty awesome event, man. We came last year.
Yeah.
A lot of great value.
We'll be going
here
next year.
Yeah, we will.
If you guys come next year, let us know. Hit us up. We'll meet up with you. We actually had a good dinner with Derek last night.
Yeah, maybe we'll do a little mastermind or something.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
Just to get together.
Yeah. So why do you like this event? I mean,
you know what it is? It's different from the affiliate world. And one thing I noticed is the affiliate world's starting to merge more with this world too, because it's about landing page optimization, you know, like funnels, big time into funnels.
Yeah.
But it's bringing different skill sets that maybe you don't get other places. So it's really cool in that respect.
Yeah, I agree. And it's like, I gotta switch hands here, you know? You get that sore shoulder, we're good, we got this. But you get, like, what's so cool about this, and we didn't plan on going to any of the speakers or anything like that, just because the networking here is so on point.
Yeah.
It's like all the big dudes are here, and it's getting that FaceTime in, like I was saying in one of our like other videos that we were doing, that it's so cool to meet these people face to face, because we talk to these people on these podcasts, we talk to them on Skype, on the phone and stuff, and getting that FaceTime is just it's such
a different relationship.
It's such a different relationship, and it's so cool because it's like, you know, you're friends with these people, you've never seen them before.
Yeah, it is crazy. You talk to them every day, like you've met them in person twice.
Yeah.
But when you meet them in person, it's not weird at all, because you know their personality, what they like, what they don't like, everything.
So this is like, we're recording this on day 3, but this is actually going to be the intro to this video. We've just been so busy with meetings and everything, like it's been non-stop. So we're gonna now go into just like kind of what we did, kind of kicked it, hung out, all the cool sights and scenes. There might even be some video in here about Tyler and I drinking. Maybe we found some tequila one day.
Yeah, we did.
It was great, but
I like tequila.
Yeah, overall, hope you guys enjoy
tequila.
it. Yeah, send tequila. All right, let's go. Jeff Roche, how's it going, man?
It's going great.
How do you like in TNC so far?
It's my first time. It's a lot of fun.
Yes.
When you get me back on the podcast?
Whenever you want.
Yeah?
Yeah, we can just make you a 3rd member, you know?
No, dude, put me on. Let's do this.
Tyler, what do you think?
Do it.
Yeah? Let's do it. All right.
And next time I'll be funny as fuck.
All right, guys, we just wrapped up day 2 at Traffic and Conversion. Fantastic little day. Got to meet a lot of people who we've had on our podcast, but I haven't met in person. Tyler hasn't met them in person either. So, I mean, it's pretty cool because we get a lot of people who we just hit up, be like, hey man, heard you're doing cool stuff. Do you want to be on our podcast? And that's awesome, but we never see them face to face. So coming to an event like this in San Diego is super cool because we get that FaceTime in, get to shake hands and really build that relationship. So that's a lot of fun. One thing that I wanted to go over here is I want to give you a little tour of our hotel room. It's nothing fancy, but it's pretty nice. We're down at the Hotel Republic in San Diego. I think it used to be the W Hotel. I could be off on that, but yeah, just check it out. Pretty cool. We're at the Hotel Republic in San Diego. Textured walls, pretty cool. Big lamp, king size bed. What I really like is we're in a corner suite, so you get all these like little nooks. Rebecca's working away here. Another nook over there. Little view of the city skyline. The blinds are down right now. Nice little desk for checking those Facebook stats and those Shopify stats. Oh yeah. Bathroom, big soaker tub. Waterfall shower. I don't know the correct name. Waterfall, rainfall. Either way, it's a great shower. What's going on, team? Little view out there, skyline. Man, I love this city. It's probably one of my favorite cities in the US. Top five. All right, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up and we will see you tomorrow. going on? We are just wrapping up TNC. We're down here in San Diego. Tyler just picked up this baller rental car. He was supposed to get an Expedition, but they gave him like some Dodge thing.
I got a Dodge.
Oh, it's terrible. But it is what it is. It'll do the trick, and that's how rental companies go, you know? You are at the mercy of what they give you. So, what we are doing here is, oh, that guy almost smoked that pole. The roads in San Diego they need a little work. They're ghetto, but it's beautiful here, so who cares?
We got a city shot, man.
Yeah.
As the trees pop up.
Yeah, as the trees pop up. We got a little bit of a view over there. Let's see. Either way, yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. The weather's been cold. It looks warm, but don't let that fool you. It's actually been quite cold. So, okay, I'll just hold this to make it easier, and we can just kind of go from there. What do you think of TSC so far?
I think it was good. This year was probably the first year where I never sat in and watched any of the speakers, mostly because you can buy the recordings after.
Yeah.
What I was really after was just networking, meeting other people, you know, learning from them, learning from what they're doing. It's so cool to see, like, some of these guys. We had a friend actually come down from LA, and he does well. He does 7 figures a year, great little business, mostly a lot of Facebook advertising, a lot of email. And we introduced him to guys who did 20 million last year, or guys that did 80 million. So it really helped him expand his horizons, but also expands ours. Yeah. Like, I've never crossed the $10 million mark in a year before. That's my current goal I'm working on. But yeah, it was awesome. Met a lot of cool people, reconnected with some good people, and overall it was a really good event. What
I found interesting is, like, everyone, like, we were talking to some dude and he's just like, oh, I hate talking about my numbers because they're so low, but like, we know his numbers and he makes good numbers, and that's the cool thing about this event. No matter at what level you're at, there's always going to be someone bigger than you, and there's always going to be someone lesser than you in terms of how much you make. But it's really cool because there's so much good info here. And even like, and it's like, even if you talk to one dude and he has like one little different tip that you haven't done before, it can completely change your business. So that was really cool.
100%.
Yeah, and overall, just being in San Diego on its own is just awesome, man. Like, it's so cool here. I could live here for sure. It's a lot better than snowy Vancouver at this current moment. So, yeah, it's been great. Anything else?
No, just any opportunities. Like, you know, they were selling tickets for this event. I'm not sure how much it was. It wasn't cheap.
I think they're like $1,000.
Yeah, but even like, if you don't have the money to go to the event, that's cool. It's still worth it just to make it out and network and meet people. People at these events are pretty open to sharing, talking about what they're doing. You know, a lot of people stroke their ego a little bit. They might give you some great tips. But
people love a good ego stroke.
Yeah.
Watch out for this guy. Yeah, so we just, the bar, or like the restaurant, the marina restaurant at the hotel, constantly packed with people. We just hung out there for a couple hours almost every day now, and people just roll in that you meet, and it's awesome. You just get to chat with everyone. A lot of fun.
Yeah, Chad, he was on
one of
the past podcast. He had a killer 2016.
Yeah.
It's not sure about his 2017 numbers, but he was just casually walking by himself, you know. People would walk up to him, he'd give them some great tips and move on.
Yeah.
So it's just good to be in the environment of other people who are doing well, successful, following their dreams. And it's amazing too how many opportunities guys will give you if you're able to connect with them a bit, and there's something that they need help with, and maybe it's something you know. Like, email's been a great gateway for me to meet a lot of people, because not a lot of people know a whole lot about email.
No.
And even just like, if you were to Google around and read the forums and understand the different, like, you know, the upsells or the abandonment cart sequences, the win back campaigns, like, you know, how to put really good ones together and stuff, you could make some pretty good deals with people, make you a lot of money, make them a lot of money, and essentially everyone wins. So
yeah,
again, if you can't go to the event, it's still worth just being in the vicinity and getting out here, because making those connections down the road will do nothing but pay dividends for you.
And I'd like to apologize, this video is going to be shaky as shit. I've
taken like 8 wrong turns.
Wow, you're holding he's holding Google Maps in his hand. How did you manage to do that?
Just distracted, bro. I'm a terrible multitasker.
All right, guys. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. We're going to be doing this a little bit more when we travel, because we do travel quite a bit for business and such. So yeah, I think it'll be, I think it's fun. I am no pro vlogger, so hopefully it works out well. But yeah, chat to you guys soon.
Take care.
Peace.